Hey guys, welcome back to Session 6 of Introduction to Linux System Administration. As always, I'll be your instructor, Kevin Downs. Today, we're going to be going over managing users and groups. Last session, we went over identifying software packages, using RPM to manage software, using yum to manage software, installing and removing software, identifying devices, and displaying device and system info, such as PCI and USB. Today, we're going to be going over setting policies, using file management, the /etc/passwd file, and the /etc/shadow file, and the /etc/group file. We're also going to go over the etc/gshadow file, adding users, modifying user accounts, deleting user accounts, working with groups, setting user environments, and login configuration files. Let's go ahead and get started with setting policies. So a password policy sets certain standards for passwords, such as the password complexity and the rules for changing passwords. A password policy minimizes the inherent risk of using passwords by ensuring that they meet adequately complex standards to thwart brute force attacks, and they are changed frequently enough to mitigate the risk of someone revealing or discovering a password. So there are three main ways that we can define the password policy. First is going to be strength or complexity and requirements. Second is going to be history, and finally account lockout. So we can set requirements for how long the password has to be and how many different characters have to be in it. We can set how long passwords are remembered so that you can't just change the password to one used before. So we can say, remember the last 10 passwords, and that prevents anyone from reusing passwords. And then we can also lock an account after so many failed attempts, okay? And those can all be set in different configuration files. So below are some commands that are typically used for user file management: cd, pwd, ls, less, touch, make directory, move, copy, remove. We've looked at all of these commands here, okay? And remember, these are used for file management of users. Not users themselves, but file management of the users, okay? Today we're going to actually look at how to manage the users themselves.